Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to create a stunning professional portfolio on Wix. Whether you are a photographer, designer, writer, or any creative looking to showcase your work, Wix has everything you need to build a portfolio that truly stands out. And the best part is you don't need to know how to code. Alright, I'll show you how easy it is to design and customize your portfolio in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Now, what I want you to do is go to the Wix website, and that's going to be on www.wix.com. Once you are here, you can create your account by using your Google, your Facebook, even your business or personal email. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and once you've done that, you can simply choose a template that suits your needs, all right? Now, essentially Wix has a variety of portfolio templates designed for different industries like photography, writing, and design. You can either start with a template or create one from scratch. But normally what I wanted to do is create something from a template. So these are going to be some of the portfolios, resumes, and CVs, or personal. So I leave the discretion to you. In my case, I'm going to be selecting this one right here. If you wanted to test the template to see if that will work with your brand and your identity, you might want to click on the view, and you can also check the responsiveness of that template by clicking on the mobile icon on different devices. If you feel this is going to be the template that you can start with, click on edit this site. Wait for it while Wix is setting up things for you. All right. Now, what will happen is you would be forwarded to the Wix editor. In this case, since Wix has created a generic kind of portfolio store or a portfolio site for you, you can still have full control over the design, because on the left side panel of your dashboard, these are going to be your tools. All right. If you wanted to add something for your content, for example, I'm going to put in a random information here, such as this. I'm going to put in something like Deep Laughs portfolio. You can simply click on the generate site text, so you won't be starting something from scratch. Now, on the left side, you can add elements right here, add section, pages, and menu. All right, site design, add apps, my business, and media. We're going to be looking on the add elements because from here, you can add certain image. For example, I'm going to be if you have like a specific brand or logo for your portfolio, you can upload images right here. You can use these options. You have the of course, your local computer, your Wix account, your Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, Flickr, DeviantArt, Dribbble, and link URL. Now, what I'm going to do is click on my computer, upload a file. Once it's uploaded, I'm gonna drag this because you can have a full control on where you want to put the this one right here. You can add another element. For example, this. Okay. You can also add elements such as videos if you wanted. You see? You can add icons, animals, and nature, and a lot. But what I want you to do is go to the blog. All right? Because starting a blog, you can share your expertise and engage with your audience, especially that this site is created for your portfolio, so you can showcase your skills, your creativity, and a lot. All right? This is very important so you get more audience and get wider reach. You can create a post, manage blog pages, and customize post page. You can even add blog elements later. If you want to write your first blog so that you can create something that your audience can reach out to, you can do that as well. All right. This feature is one of the handy tools that Wix offers you to enhance your portfolio. All right. If you want to add blog posts about your work or thoughts on your field, for example, you are in the photography, wedding, real estate, cosmetics, medicine, this is a great way to share updates, industry sites, or the story behind your projects. All right. Wait for it. Now, on the left side panel of your dashboard, there's going to be the pages and menu, wherein you can have the portfolio of pages right here. You can put in the collection pages as well. All right, so these are some of the best design that you can work with so that you can showcase your portfolio. Once you are happy with it, it's time to publish your work. All right, click publish to go live with your site so anyone can see it. But before that, you might want to check the responsiveness of your portfolio site on different devices, such as your mobile. All right, click on the mobile icon. If you think it's intuitive enough for you to publish, click on the save button for now. All right, I'm gonna put in portfolio here. And save and continue, and then click on the publish. All right, you can now go live and showcase your site to the world. Now, if you want to complete your setup, finishing your site, you might want to do that as well. Now, one of the most important part of creating a portfolio is connecting your domain, because if you don't have a domain yet, you can of course enter the web address you want for your site. It can be a domain you own already or buy one here for Wix. All right, so these are going to be your options. Say this is available. If you click on get it, you would be forwarded to this option wherein you can get the domain for free with a premium plan. You can have a benefit from a full suite of premium features, including all of these. But if you wanted to buy a domain only, you won't be able to connect to the premium site and you will pay the full price of the domain. I'll leave that to you. But if in this case, if to get the best value for your portfolio, click on continue. What will happen is you would be forwarded to choose the premium plan that's right for you. Okay? Business Elite, Business, $22 per month, the Core, and the Lite, wherein you can add 2 collaborators, for example, a web designer or maybe one of your website editors, so you can focus more on the creative content at the back end. You have all these features for you to take advantage. 2 GB storage space, light marketing suite, and free domain for 1 year. All right? And by following all these steps, you'll have a professional and personalized portfolio on Wix, showcasing your work and attracting potential clients or employers. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.